Here you can see it's the atrium. Good morning, I hope you are well. In Sandton City there is a place or neighborhood called Edinburgh. Hope I'm right, just around Bryanston, just around, like, it's one of the neighboring places around Sandton City, right? And I had a privilege to spend 2 nights in this place. So these are flats, basically. These are flats. So I'm going to show you a quick room tour. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. It has this balcony here, and then it has a lounge and a kitchen. So in this video I'm just going to show you that quick tour. So where it's situated, it's in Edinburgh, if I'm pronouncing that right. And the name of these flats, if these are flats or these apartments, is the Atrium or Atrium between the two, but you are going to see the logo as I'm doing the video. So I'm just going to show you a quick room tour, and I'm also going to show you one room as opposed to two. So let's do that quickly, starting from here in the balcony. Alright, so starting from the balcony, this is what you have. It's this small, it's not even small, And also this is the second floor, Then early in the morning you can see that sunrise there, Then these are your neighbors, but these are different flats, Those are other ones. But what I realized, mostly in this place we have many flats like these, So there's a lot of residential buildings around here. So yeah, this is the balcony, and this is how it looks like. And then behind you, the sliding door that is taking you straight to the living room and the kitchen. Living room and the kitchen are combined, right? Then you just divide them by your furniture. So now let's go to the front of the room and how it looks like. Okay, now so in front of the door outside, this is how this whole place looks like. This is your door, obviously. This is your kitchen. That's your first bedroom. And these are your neighbors. However, there's no shelter for your car, right? So it's just going to sit there outside, and I don't like that. Unlike the other flats or other apartments that I just showed you now, because there are shelters at least. Now let's go inside. Another thing that I didn't mention, there's the elevator there, and then you can also use the stairs. Now let's go inside. So this is how the inside looks like. You have your gas stove here in case of load shedding, and then you have your cabinet over there. So all in all, this is just the kitchen, And this gas stove also has an oven, You have these nice bar stools. You can put your washer there, as you can see, And then going to the living room is this nice big couch, and that big TV over there. Yeah, this is how the kitchen looks like, pretty much. I mean, like, this could be a very nice house, for a young professional, but obviously I'm not at that level yet, but this is something that I want, something similar to this, Now I'm just going to show you one bedroom and a bathroom. The other bedroom is stuffed, and also, like, I'm not alone here, so there's that. So this is your first bedroom, the bathroom, and the second bedroom. I'm just going to show you only these two. Then let's start this side. Yeah, this nice small bedroom, with this double bed. I don't know, it looks like a couch, and it's actually nice. I like it. Then you have that over there, that drawer, you put your laptops or anything. And then you have this nice mirror. Then you have a built-in wardrobe. And this side you have a built-in wardrobe. which is nice. Then here, just at the window, you can see your neighbors. You know, so this is pretty much it. This is how the bedroom looks like. And put your stuff here. Now to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, right? You have a toilet over there, that basket, that thing, you have this, and you have a bathtub that is also a shower in a way, you know. So you can pick and choose which one you want to use between the two. And then you have this here. So basically this is how the bathroom looks like. Yeah, that is it. It was just brief room tour of this place, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.